Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. So earlier I had a problem of how to change my cabin filter for my 2013 Tacoma. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, just in case you guys don't know how or curious how to do it. So it's pretty easy. I did it already, but I forgot to make a video, and I thought about, like, you know what? I'm gonna make a video just in case I forget to. I can rewatch my video and see how I did it. But anyways, let me show you. Alright, so here's the old cabin filter. As you can see, it's really dirty. You can see all that dirt in between there, all the debris, and it's in here. So you open it, and then the problem is right here. You see this little knob? You just squeeze it in, squeeze these two buttons in, and then you can pull it out, pull this long part out. Let me see if I can do it one hand while recording. Maybe I can't. Okay, let me use two hands. I'll be right back. Okay, there. So as you can see, I pulled it out a little. I had to use two hands. So one hand squeeze those two buttons in, and the other hand pull this part out. So when you lift it up and pull it out, it comes off just like that. This is the spring to hold the cabin up and down. And then there's two knobs right here, one there, another one there. What you want to do is just pull it out like that, and this one, pull it out, but make sure you hold this so it doesn't drop too hard like that, and just gently drop it down. So now that's the components of the cabin filter all down. Now it's easy to reach in there. As you can see, I'm happy it's not dark. Here's the cabin filter. All you have to do is squeeze, push down on this leverage knob right here, and then this one too. Squeeze down and pull out for both of them, and then it releases. And that's the new one. Let me show you. That's all you have to do. It's super easy. Right there. So that's what the new one looks like. That's what the old one. And then put it back in. Super easy. Just follow the instructions on here. It says airflow up, so you just want to put it up, push this down, put it back in like that. And I change it twice a year. I do it for fall and spring. There, just like that, guys, and close it, and then put it back in. Just put this knob first, that knob, and then this thing right here, it goes easily into that hole. But yeah, guys, that's all you have to do. Super easy. So I'll show you guys the process. Just push this down and put your new cabin filter in. It goes in pretty easily. One hand, it kind of sucks, but there, just like that. There you go. Oops, sorry about the camera. There. And then just close it like this. Knob, knob. You hit two clicks. And this, I like to put in first. Push it in. That one's in. Right there. And then this part goes in really easily. Right there. Watch. Push it up a little. Then it goes in. Just like that. Just trying to get the camera so you guys can see. Just like that. There you go. All done. Bam. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. And I'll have some more stuff I'm going to do on the truck and show you guys. Super easy maintenance. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time on my next vlog. Later.